Hey YouTube, looks like we got our parts. Let's see what's going on there. There's the alignment tool. There's the gaskets. Ah, look at that. Oh boy. Ain't that pretty? Let's see. Yep, looks good. Got a new book. Catalog, I should say. Hey, check this out. We got some instructions. And some gaskets for the transmission. Looks good. I gotta adjust these forks here. Looks like they tell you how to do it right here. Very good, very good. Looks like everything's here. I got the grease coming tomorrow, 600 weight, or at least a 600W. I guess that's weight. Very good. All this cost about 180 bucks. Well, after shipping it was, no, 180 bucks. Yeah, that's with shipping. That's a pressure plate, a clutch disc, transmission gaskets, and the drive shaft. That's the thing that goes over the universal joint, and then the alignment tool. I think that's reasonable. Now this pressure plate, they have two kinds you can get. You can get one made in America for $125 or $135 or something anyway. But they want you to send your old pressure plate back. But for $105 you get a, I guess Chinese, I don't know. And you don't have to send your pressure plate back. Now, this car is not going to be some kind of show car or anything, and it's not going to be driven all that much. So, we went with the cheaper one, and we didn't have to send the old pressure plate back. I know, buy American, I agree with that, absolutely. But, what are you going to do? I'm sure they got plenty of these sitting around, and they're happy to get rid of it. So I guess that's it. Very good. And tomorrow we'll get the oil. I can start putting this thing together today, I suppose. Tomorrow we'll get the oil, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching.